What's up guys, kaise ho? Ella unnaru? Hope everyone is doing great. Today's vlog is going to start from this room. My other room is occupied. My wife is working from there.
Mondays are not there at all.
So, like it should be equal kind of.
Every day she works from here. Today she wants to work from there. Why? No idea. मेरा place कब्जा कर दिया. All that is okay, but there is a small problem. No, actually a huge problem. I was just casually browsing YouTube and all of a sudden there was this recommended video about AirPods Pro Max. Why Apple? Why? Now the problem is not their on-ear headphones. This is the first time Apple has come up with something like that. I don't understand why did they suddenly pop this out. Like there's so much of hype created first. There's a lot of tech YouTubers talking about it first. This time there was nothing like that. Just going through random videos and I see the suggested video and I was like doubtful. Is this real? So I checked the channel. It says Apple. Like chalo, I saw the video. As usual, they make some amazing presentations. Chalo, great. I was looking for something like on-ear headphones. Finally, Apple has released something that I can keep in my ecosystem. Then I thought, is it available online? Let me go and check. I went to India Apple website. The moment I opened the website, the first thing I see there is the Apple AirPods Max. Clicked on it, hit buy. Yes, straight away I hit buy. Then I realized it's a whopping 60. Okay, me and Chetan are going to do some shopping. Something really important event is coming up. What event? Just wait for it. You guys will anyways know. I'll put everything on this vlogs. But yeah, one thing for sure, it is a very big event and very important event. We need some proper ethnic wear. Now, put that aside, but I don't understand what the hell, yaar. 59,900 for headphones. Seriously, Apple? Seriously? I should have guessed it looking at your price. For the iPad's leather case, that was itself what, 10,000 rupees. Not even leather, it is a normal case. 10,000 rupees for cases. What the hell are you thinking, dude? "35 minutes. That means traffic is not much. Apple, if you're listening to me, I know you're not listening to me. No way you're gonna listen to me. But 59,900 is wrong. Make it 60,000, okay? Why are you giving that 100 rupees discount, bro? Not needed. We are not even asking for 100 rupees discount. Okay, reach the place. This is a place called Portfolio. This is what Chaitanya suggested for good ethnic wear in Hyderabad. Only issue is, if Chaitanya ke saath you're doing shopping, it's gonna be super expensive. Let him come, I'll tell him my budget. The thing is, I don't want to invest too much on ethnic wear because we don't wear it often. Once you wear it for an event, you're done. Again, after 1 or 2 years, you wear it. Get the point, right? Waiting for him, he's coming in the cab. Once we're done with shopping, we'll have to go and pick his bike. He's given it for some detailing, it seems. Oh, he sent me live location as well. All this is still fine, but 59,900 for headphones. Timing ante Kaushik ante time. Sorry, timing ante Chaitanya ante time.
నీ బైక్ ఏది నువ్వు సర్వీస్
Okay, so it seems the theme should be cream. But this is beige. Secret event. But we need to wear something in cream. ఇది cream beige?
అరే అది చెప్పరా
ఆదియా
అది కలర్ చెప్పరా వాడు మామ ఏంటి అన్ని 4 వైటేనా
ఇదేంటి గ్రీన్ ఉంది అంటాడు వాడు.
సంథింగ్
మై ఓన్లీ కన్సర్న్ ఇస్ ఇస్కే సాత్ ఆయా తో
అన్ని తెలిసి వచ్చినావు కదరా.
పర్లేదు బిల్లిస్. అరే ఆయన వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ 59,900 ఫర్ హెడ్ ఫోన్స్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇవెంత?
మనం వాడికి స్పిట్లు వేద్దాంలే ఎవరిదైతే పార్టీ ఉందో.
Shopping with Chaitanya is like shopping with actually your wife. He made me try at least a dozen clothes, and I think where is the most difficult, most confusing. That is the reason I got him to select, and he's asking me to select again.
Shopping with Shriman is a big problem. Whatever dress we wear, you have to like take the waist in, alteration, half waist size karo.
Arey, he's commenting about my waist there, sabke samne. Came to another store now. Hopefully we find my stuff here. Otherwise, I think I'll take it light.
అరే నా షేడ్ సారా ఇంద్ర ఈ కలర్లు ఈ రెయిన్బో కలర్లు
That is fancy, dude.
Once
Once upon a time you liked it, you know. Isn't it nice?
It's better than the other one that you wore for the trip.
Oh yeah, that
blue
is
color.
done. That's over, Abhi. The trickiest part is to remove an ethnic wear. Wearing it is pretty easy, but removing it is like very difficult. There should have been a zip or something here. After this, I'm not shopping.
After this, I won't shop another.
You didn't shop, you're making me shop.
I won't shop for you until now.
You won't shop for me. Okay, clarity is you, thank you. Social distancing main is corner kill. Okay, finally we made our choice. What is the choice?
Origins.
Pura घूम के again we're going back. We liked some stuff here, but then I think that was better, the first one.
Yeah.
First, no, second one. Second one I didn't even shoot. This is the fifth shop we came here. I think the second one was the best. After we get my clothes. You just saw, dude. I had to wear like every shop में at least 5.
It's not fitting. My shoulders are too big.
Seriously. And everyone is making fun of me. I went into the store. The sales guys are like, "Sir, what is your size?" I'm like 40. They're like, "Nah, 38. 38 आ जाएगा." అది ఇప్పుడు వీడి ముందు
అరే సుజ్జుగడ బట్టలు పడతాయి మరి నీకు
పడతాయి యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ ఐ వాంట్ యువర్ సూట్ యెస్టర్డే a blazer
హల్క్ మూవీ లాగా నువ్వు ఇట్లా వాడి ఫ్లెక్స్ చేస్తాడు సూట్
ఈవెన్ ఆర్మ్స్ ఆర్ గోన్ డౌన్ ప్రీవియస్లీ వర్ లైక్ 18 inches నౌ సమ్వేర్ అరౌండ్ 16 I think
అది ఏందిరా నాకేం అర్థం కావట్లేదు అక్కడ ఏం కనిపిస్తుందో
you jealous
చెవుల్లాగా ఉన్నాయి
jealous fellow you want ventilated seats 1 second ఎంజాయ్ బ్రో
ఇప్పుడేమో పొల్యూషన్ అన్నా ఫస్ట్ ఏసీ ఆన్ చేయమంటే ఇప్పుడు వెంటిలేటర్ సీట్స్ కూడా ఆన్ చేస్తున్నావు
నువ్వే కదరా వెళ్తున్నావు
తీరా మరి బండిది ఇంకా
వేర్ ఆర్ యు గోయింగ్
Origins
then your bike
we'll go place the order at Origins and then you drop me off at tag
finally done with copyright finally done with shopping and now we're going to take Chaitanya's BMW
fake BMW చెప్పు అది కూడా
fake BMW thanks for the clarity
yes exactly ఆన్ చేసుకో కెమెరాలో ఆన్ చేసుకోరా ఇక్కడ పోదు కదా దీంట్లో ఆన్ చేసుకో కెమెరా ఆన్ చేసుకో అసలు ఫెలో
నువ్వే కదా చెప్పి కెమెరా ఆన్ చేసుకోమని
yeah just stop it here we have to walk in
ఏమేమి చెప్పించాడో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం I
just
think
cleaning,
you
just cleaning detailing అంతే
చలో let's go get Chaitanya's bike
100 man that entire
there is a fake BMW okay why do they call it fake you got it wrapped
but now I need to fix that
shit.
also
How did this happen
after the fall remember you were the one who
yeah.
said you couldn't lift the bike without
correct. But that day we explained about all the damages you didn't specify this
now we'll have to get this fixed
actually
again.
detailing is nice looks nice
brand new bro
brand అయిపో న్యూ కాదు నా ముందు దున్నపోతలకు పడ్డావు
అరే క్లియర్ వాటర్ ఇది వచ్చేసింది పౌడర్ కోటింగ్ this has started to
oh shit
yeah that's okay it's just
clear waters as long as light is powerful we are good but yeah this powder coating is coming out I need to check mine as well so Chaitanya when is your next trip on the bike after 2 years after 1 year Feb we are planning a pretty decently huge trip northeast ka plan chal raha but are we shipping we're planning to ship actually one side
no more riding like
seriously we are done with riding from Hyderabad
we're done with highway riding I think we're done with the highway riding
we want only adventures
super
now
boring now
true
looks awesome man
looks very good very good yeah
I only have one question
Yes.
so what is it it's not just a cosmetic thing it's like a
Looks like it has oxidized on it. What we can do is we can use a metal
బండి మార్చాలి
polish. We can use a
బండి మార్చాలి రా
we can use a metal polish and try.
What is this place called? RHC Garage. Okay, RHC Garage. If you want to see some crazy modifications, you have to come to this place, RHC Garage. You have an Instagram channel, right?
Yeah, I have an Instagram channel by RHC Garage.
Check it out.
Just for service and for any modification related services, we do
Okay.
it RH Customs.
Nice. And look at this bike. It's got a 330 section tire.
hand for scale
నువ్వు మరి బక్క ఎవరా మరి బక్కగా కనిపిస్తుంది బట్ లుక్ అట్ ఇట్ మ్యాన్ లుక్స్ సో స్వీట్ దట్స్ a Hayabusa. I don't know technical specs but a little bit about this bike.
So this is a 2017 18
Okay.
actually Hayabusa.
Okay.
And we ordered the Roaring Toys 330 kit.
Okay.
Which is being installed at the moment.
Okay.
So fingers crossed, probably we'll be doing a small test ride
Okay.
by late midnight.
Okay.
Yeah. So just waiting.
We were just wondering how will he ride this bike in traffic with this tire. He was just telling us that it's very difficult to maneuver this bike. If you can go in a straight stretch, it's going to be fine. Like drag and all is fine. But otherwise, I mean, looking at it, we can tell that it's very difficult to maneuver. Because that startup sound was insane.
How it looks like a so smooth and a starter.
So we're finally done with most of our works. Now going to a coffee shop called a Roastery. I've been here before. In case you guys remember my Q&A session with my wife, that is the place, Roastery. And we are going there. As usual, we need our daily dose of coffee and also feeling very hungry here. Yes, I got my tiffin box, which I'll not be showing you guys because you people will kick me now. This shoe is so hurting.
correct road పక్కన పార్క్ చేసి
Hey, you remember this place? Anyone remembers this place? Not you guys.
Yeah, we remember. అంటే మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ వచ్చాం.
Arey, our my Q&A session happened here. Right there, that last bench.
I remember Suju watching girls here.
Suju and Evi. Your shadi didn't happen that time.
Obviously. As if you don't see now. As if you don't see now. Pooja. మనందరికన్నా పెద్ద సార్.
పెద్ద సార్ చంపేసిండ్రు వాళ్ళ.
డెజర్ట్ కేక్ ప్లస్.
You know what we did today?
What?
Shopping.
ఎందుకు?
First wife.
Why?
You have? Some?
తెలీదు అసలు ఓపెన్ చేయాలి కబోర్డ్.
So you need to have a cream. చెప్పట్లే. So we shopped. He made me wear at least 15. Total లో.
ఫస్ట్ వైఫ్ అంటాలో తప్పలేదు.
చెప్తారా సంగతి. He made me wear at least 20.
సరే రా నేనంటే 15 years ఉంటా వీడు వచ్చుంటే ఎన్ని వేసి ఇచ్చాడు రా మరి నువ్వు చెప్పు ఒకసారి
Does he need to shop?
It seems Pranav is like 10 times of Chaitanya, especially when it comes to fashion.
I'm like 0.
So Chaitanya was asking me to talk to Pranav regarding chappal.
Arey,
I'm
but
like
I don't
scared to talk.
Take this bandi and this scarf and this pocket square fantastic అంటాడు.
Hey, cute
Na base
boy.
undi.
Hey, show that photo.
నా పేజ్ ఉంది. మా ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ కి
Delhi చూపుల్ photo.
ఏజ్ బొజ్జ రెండు నేను చూపిరా
ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ 83 or 84. What are you talking?
No, 94 only.
ఇప్పుడు 89.5.
Hey, reduce 5 kilos bro.
5 లేదులే అంటే 95 ఉన్నాను బే ఇంత ముందు.
ఇలాంటి ప్లేసెస్ ఎప్పుడు తింటే ఇదే అవుతుంది.
సరే రా.
Hey, today I saw your helmet without. ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లానే వస్తున్నా
మళ్ళీ రా. సారీ రా ఈరోజు
తగలాలనే కదా కొట్టేది.
ఈరోజు
నేను ఒక్కడనే రా మంచోడిని. వాట్సాప్ అది
వాట్సాప్ మ్యాన్ ఎస్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు
లేట్గా వచ్చే వాళ్ళ ఈ మధ్య నీది టైమింగ్ తప్పుతుంది. 6:30 PM కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పేరు పోయి 7:30 PM కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
కొంచెం
కష్టాలు ఉన్నాయి లైఫ్లో. మొన్ననే కదా అన్ని తీరిపోయినాయి, డబ్బులు బాగా వస్తున్నాయి.
అంటే
సూపర్ రిచ్ వెళ్ళిపోయి ఆల్ ద బిల్స్
అంటే ఇంకా పని అంటే ఇంకా ఆఫీస్లోనే పని చేస్తున్నారా
ఒకటేసేదా
చేసేది ప్రాజెక్ట్
కొంచెం ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ప్లీజ్ గివ్ ఇట్ టు ఆదిత్య. నా కమిషన్ కూడా ఇస్తాడు. యూఆర్ గుడ్ అట్ సంథింగ్ దే టోల్డ్. పెద్దలు అన్నారు డోంట్ డూ ఇట్ ఫర్ ఫ్రీ. పెద్దలు నాలాంటి పెద్దలు.
నేను చెప్పిన గుర్తుందా నీకు?
నువ్వు అవునరా
చెప్పినా గుర్తుందా?
అవునరా నిజం
నేనే కదా నీకు చెప్పిన.
ఒక్క నిమిషం నువ్వు కూడా చెప్పలేదు మనం చెప్పింది
నీ కెమెరా ఉంటే అన్ని ఫేక్ తారా.
No. This is not clickbait. Adi is losing hair. I mean, I'm also losing hair, but this is legit. Like, you wanna see him Gundu? And this is Chaitanya's Gundu.
అరే బాగుందిరా అది.
మరి ఎప్పుడు
Meme pages alert. Adi, show yours. We'll all try actually.
నైస్ బియర్డ్. బాల్ హెడ్ విల్ బి ఫైన్.
Chaitanya thinks I'll look fine even with a bald head, but इसके ऊपर थोड़ा doubt है.
ఈ లైట్
So that is the reason he said, let me show you how I look. You're looking like a psycho killer. రామ్ గోపాల్ వర్మ మూవీలో ఒకటి ఉంటాడు టాక్సీ కిల్లర్. క్యూట్ బాయ్. చిన్న గుడ్డు పెట్టినట్టు నెత్తి మీద. నమస్తే అన్న.
హే యు
మైండ్
ఓకే రిలాక్స్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్
నేనరా బాగుంటాను.
నువ్వు మంచి పోజ్ చేయాలి.
ఏందది? iPhone 7 just 20 years old.
అరే బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉన్నావురా.
ఎట్లున్నా తెలుసా? Do you guys remember MTV में रोडीज का రఘు రాజీవ్?
అరే బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉన్నావురా.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ అనరా, హ్యాండ్సమ్ అనరా. మోస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ విల్ బి చిరణ్. కొట్రా ఫోటో, వి వాంట్ షో. కమ్ ఆన్, బి ఎ స్పోర్ట్ బ్రో. స్పోర్ట్ మోడ్ అన్నాడు. He looks like a he looks like a right Satya Nadella.
అందరం తిరుపతి వెళ్దామారా?
ఎలక్ట్రల్ ఎక్కడైతుంది. సో చరణ్, if you lose hair no problem. If I lose hair also no problem. వీడు ఒక్కడే డేంజరస్ కనిపిస్తుంది, మర్డర్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది.
కాలు ఎత్తుపోయి వ్యాలీ డ్రైవర్ లా ఉన్నారా?
మనం ఎప్పుడైనా ట్రెండ్ చేంజ్
అట్లా క్యూట్గా ఉన్నాం. ముద్దు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు గుండుని.
ఆర్డర్ ఉంది.
Okay, we can take it home.
All this is complimentary, right? Oh, this is from Roastery, complimentary for us. So I think we'll be coming here every day from tomorrow because we're getting free food.
తినలేరు కదా.
Unfortunately, yeah, we can't eat it. This is banana cake. Oh, damn heavy, dude. What is this?
Brownie.
ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి.
Brownie Nutella naked chocolate cake.
ఒక టేస్ట్ రా, పాస్ట్ మెమరీస్ అన్ని ఇట్లా.
No, the only person who can enjoy this is Adi, and already enjoying.
చైతన్య,
You will love it.
try it. Not so sugary.
No, I can smell the banana till here. It's too much banana for me.
You see that Addanga Upe face? That is called dedication.
దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కెమెరా ఆన్ ఇన్ ది ఫేస్.
Trainer will see it. I can't have it. Are you try it and tell.
ఆడేం పంపడరా.
ఏం పంపడు.
Plate the peach is
మధ్య మధ్య మళ్ళీ F1 పోస్టులు.
Nice?
Yeah, it's see thing is
You don't like coffee.
I'm not a coffee,
You're not a coffee fan.
but it's nice. It's really nice.
So free was the target of final కూడా అంటావు.
అంతేగా?
No, but a very good place. Definitely a good place. This was our daily hangout, dude. Best part is they have something called affogato. Unfortunately, we cannot have it. I mean, I cannot have it. If you come to the Roastery, Banjara Hills, definitely try that affogato. It is gonna taste amazing. Banana cake.
Really nice.
నువ్వు ఏది
Nice.
మర్చిపోతావురా?
Yeah, even Charan said that. Okay, overall rating for the place. My food was good.
8.5 easy.
8.5 आराम से. Ambience के लिए तो 9 out of 10.
Nice crowd.
Nice crowd. Cream crowd. Full cream. ऐसा है cream.